Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Frankie B, and this time around we are doing an unboxing. Excuse me, try to say that 5 times. So anyway, today I am actually seeing a dream being made into 3D just joy. I am unboxing the HunterBot B.W.N.N. DopePope exclusive figure that we are offering as a reward tier on 2 tiers on our Kajus and Cowboys Kickstarter campaign. Now, the thing about it is I am a huge fan of art. And as a 2D artist, as somebody who does traditional artwork, I love 2D art. But nothing beats when you can hold something that you've illustrated in your hand. I mean, when it makes that leap, into the real world, oh, what a treat that is. So anyway, what happened was you have known DopePope off and on over the years, and I've seen some of the most amazing sculpts that he has done in the Kaju community. He is just renowned for his work, his level of detail. So I said, hey, is there any way that we could work out something so as you could, try to tackle our cowboy robot protagonist? And he said, I'm up for the challenge. So anyway, what you are seeing right here is me unboxing that character, HunterBot B.W.N.N., who will be only available, unfortunately, on this campaign. Because here's the thing, we are not custom toy makers. We know nothing about the custom toy market. I've done some title card artwork, but we're just comic book creators. And the thing about it is, we wanted to try something different and new. We wanted to work with another artist. And so this custom figure right here that you're looking at right now will only be available on this campaign. And you need to get this. It is absolutely stunning. It's amazing. It has some weight to it. I'm just stoked all over. So anyway, please head on over to our campaign, support it, and get this figure and add it to your collection.